I'm Wongster 1970, and today I'm going to be installing a replacement clutch in my 1985 Honda Shadow VT700C. Let's get started. I've got the bike tilted on its side so that I can keep the oil hopefully out of the way, so I can open this up without really losing anything. What I'm going to be doing is taking the side cover bolts off, and they are 5mm. Let's see if I can knock this off. There we go. No oil came out. No, that's our TV. Surprised it didn't leak. I'm gonna get this snap ring out. There we go. It is a 27mm. And there are so we're good there. Make sure this doesn't move. Now I can start putting replacement ones in. Clutch plate. Plate. Steel plate, whatever. Clutch plate. Friction plate. Clutch plate. Friction plate. Part number for this is CK1166 EBC, heavy duty original equipment quality clutch plate set. I think I got it on Amazon. Washer. Nut. Set to 40 foot-pounds. There we go. Replacement gasket is a GT341. It seems to be pretty lined up. we're going to use 7 foot-pounds. Yep, that should be it. That'll do it for installing the replacement clutch in my 1985 Honda Shadow VT 700C. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.